Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to change add friend to follow button on Facebook. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Facebook and click here and click on settings and privacy, and click on privacy and scroll down, and here you will get this option, who can send you friend request. Click on edit, and from here select friends of friends. And now I'm going to show you the result from my another Facebook account. So right now I'm in my another ID and I'm searching for that ID here. So here we can see add friend button has been removed, and here we can see the follow button has been added. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.